So hello everyone, I'm Subhash Karthik, your communication coach, and in today's vocabulary class, we are going to learn some beautiful words. Beautiful words. You know, beautiful words means when you use those words, it sounds so good. It sounds so good. Suppose there is a word called he's very intelligent. He is very intelligent. So that word intelligent. So we always use these kind of word, that he is very intelligent. But instead of intelligent, we can use, there are so many words, out of those, the one word, very beautiful word is his savvy, 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 savvy. He's so savvy. He's so savvy means he's very knowledgeable and experienced. So today we are going to learn such new words and we'll try to see how can we use those words. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. If you come across any question, you can write down in the comment section. So welcome to this Power Vocab session. And absolutely, our today's session, we will be doing just a minute. There is some technical glitch. So let me be ready here. The most beautiful words. Today is a part one. So if we know these beautiful words, it will enhance our vocabulary. So guys, let's start with the words which are really beautiful. The first word on your screen right now. So we are going to learn such 5 words. Okay, the first word is enchanting. Enchanting. So beautiful and attractive. Enchanting. Enchanting means something that is charming, attractive. You can say beautiful, so charming. So you can say enchanting. It's a wonderful word. So many times we use the word beautiful, attractive. Why don't you use this word called enchanting? It's so charming and attractive. Let's see one word, I think one sentence you will understand. India is an enchanting country where I wish to spend my whole life. India is an enchanting country. So enchanting, it is an adjective. It is an adjective. So you can write India is an enchanting country where I wish to spend my whole life. So in place of, in case of place, when we want to speak about place, country, we use this word enchanting. Even, somebody is wearing a wonderful dress. So we can also say, enchanting dress. We can also say enchanting, personality. So it could be a looks, it could be a dress. So we can use enchanting in so many ways. जहां जहां पे आप attractive लगाते हो वहां पे आप enchanting आराम से लगा सकते हो. Okay, we'll see one more example. Yeah. Mr. KK Mandal sir has enchanting knowledge. So guys, यहाँ पे हमने knowledge के बारे में बता रहा हूँ कि enchanting knowledge. So charming and attractive knowledge. Mr. KK Mandal sir has an enchanting knowledge on communication skills and organized personality. So even we can talk about knowledge, looks, dress. So enchanting knowledge. So you can use the sentence in your way only, but you can use in case of personality, in case of knowledge, in case of talent, we can use this word called enchanting. Okay, we'll go for the next word. So guys, enchanting means something which is very charming and attractive. Okay, so let's go for the next word. Effervescent. Effervescent. It's a wonderful word. Effervescent. बहुत ही अच्छा वर्ड है, आप इसको जरूर यूज कीजिएगा अपने लाइफ में. Even the last word, enchanting, this is also good. But this word, it is an awesome word to use. Effervescent. The meaning is someone or something which is very active, पॉजिटिव एंड फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. एक इंसान या कोई एक ऐसी चीज जिसमें बहुत एनर्जी है, बहुत पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है और बहुत एक्टिव है. कोई भी इंसान भी हो सकता है या कुछ कोई चीज भी हो सकती है, कोई जगह भी हो सकता है, कोई कंट्री भी हो सकता है, कोई ऐसी चीज जो जिसमें एनर्जी है. इंसान में भी एनर्जी हो सकता है, एक एक कंट्री में भी एनर्जी हो सकती है, पॉजिटिव इंसान भी हो सकता है. सो एफर्वेसेंट हम उसके लिए यूज करेंगे अगर कोई इंसान है, बहुत पॉजिटिव है, बहुत एनर्जेटिक है, हम उस केस में भी एफर्वेसेंट, एफर्वेसेंट, effervescent, 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 effervescent. ओके, जब आप effervescent को यूज कर रहे हो तो डबल आप 2 times उसको यूज कर सकते हो. effervescent, effervescent. लेकिन जब आप एफर बोल रहे हो तो आर को साइलेंट रखना. when you say effervescent नहीं, r will be silent. so effervescent, effervescent, effervescent. आर को आप प्रोनाउंस मत करना कि effervescent नहीं, effervescent, effervescent. Let's see the sentence. I would always love to have an effervescent personality which could help me to be liked by others. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है, आप इस सेंटेंस को जरूर लिखिए. इट्स अ वंडरफुल, हम हर कोई चाहते हैं कि हमारी पर्सनालिटी में इतनी एनर्जी हो, हम इतने पॉजिटिव हो कि लोग हमारे पास खींचे चले आए. So that I can tell like this, I would always love to have an effervescent personality. So personality could be effervescent also, okay? So I love to have an effervescent personality which could help me to be liked by others so that log mujhe pasand kare. It's a wonderful word. We should definitely use it in our own way. So effervescent हमारी personality हो सकती है. Effervescent, हमारा our personality, our characteristic, our behavior, our thought process, our mindset, सब में आप effervescent ये word को use कर सकते हो. This is also an adjective. ये भी एक adjective है. Let's see another example. India is the most artistically effervescent country. India is the most artistically effervescent country. So यहाँ पे हम country में भी use कर सकते हैं, personality में भी use कर सकते हैं. कोई भी चीज जो action हो, जिसमें energy हो. So even India has multiple culture, multiple people with multiple, habits. See, there are the two words which we have seen, both are bit different because last was enchanting and this one is effervescent. इसको और अच्छे से अगर हम बोले, एफरवेसेंट को आप इंसानों के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, इवन आप कंट्री के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जगह के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जगह में लोग बसते हैं। बट आप कोई ड्रेस को एफरवेसेंट ड्रेस नहीं बोल सकते, बिकॉज दैट ड्रेस इज नॉट अ पर्सन. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ड्रेस, वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. ड्रेस में नहीं होता है, एनर्जी इंसानों में होती है. लेकिन हाँ, कंट्री में हम एफरवेसेंट यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि कंट्री में लोग रहते हैं. सो कहीं पर भी अगर लोग रहते हैं या लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तो आप एफरवेसेंट को यूज करो. बट एनचैंटिंग को आप हर जगह यूज कर सकते हो. जो लास्ट हमने अभी देखा, एनचैंटिंग. एनचैंटिंग इंसान भी हो सकता है, एनचैंटिंग पर्सनालिटी भी हो सकती है, एनचैंटिंग ड्रेस भी हो सकता है, एनचैंटिंग आपका घर में कोई एक शो पीस है, वो भी एक एनचैंटिंग हो सकता है, वेरी अट्रैक्टिव शो पीस. लेकिन व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट एफर्वेसेंट हम लोग लोगों के लिए यूज करते हैं, लोग जहां पे लोग रहते हैं. अनु सिंह, यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Effervescent, the sound of Om, very effervescent. That is correct. The sound Om.
I'm not getting your question.
You can use ना sir. Effervescent के लिए हम लोग S use नहीं कर सकते. But the sound of Om is very effervescent. Effervescent. Because it is a.
Effervescent.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो मैंने
The sound Om.
मैंने बोला साउंड आर, जो आर है एफर में, जो आर है वो आर को आप साइलेंट रखो.
नो नो सर, जो द साउंड ऑफ ओम, जो हम लोग ओम का उच्चारण के ना,
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ओके ओके.
ओके, तो वो मैं बोलूं, द साउंड ऑफ ओम इज वेरी एफरवेसिव. दिन टेंस इज रॉन्ग और राइट?
ओके ओके ओके
बिकॉज ये
ओके, इट
तो हम लोग
साउंड्स, आप वहां पे यूज कर सकते हो. वो साउंड में आप एफर्वेसेंट को यूज कर सकते हो, क्योंकि उस साउंड में एक एनर्जी है, उस साउंड में एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है. तो कोई भी चीज जिसमें एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है, यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड एफर्वेसेंट. बट हाउ डू यू यूज एफर्वेसेंट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एफर्वेसेंट, effervescent nahi, effervescent. Always remember the way you sound it, that is important. Very good. Okay, let's see one more example with effervescent. So this is called, India is the most artistically effervescent country. So we can use this in the case of country also. Someone or something that is active, very active, positive, and full of energy. Okay, let's go for number 3. It's inestimable. 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 Inestimable इसका मतलब होता है too great to be described or cannot be described in words. कभी कभी बहुत चीजें हैं जो हम डिस्क्राइब ही नहीं कर सकते, वो इतना अच्छा होता है. हमारे पास शब्द नहीं होते कि हम उसको कैसे बोलेंगे. देयर आर मेनी टाइम्स आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सो आप, लेकिन आप बयां नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि आपको कितना अच्छा लगा. सो जब आप कोई अच्छी चीज को बयां नहीं कर पाते हो, उस चीज को बोलते हैं इनएस्टिमेबल. आप बयां नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि कितना अच्छा है, आप कितना अच्छा फील कर रहे हो, कितना अच्छी चीज है वो. दैट इज कॉल्ड इनएस्टिमेबल. My father's contribution to shape up my life is of inestimable value. बहुत अच्छा sentence है. Try to understand this sentence. It's a wonderful sentence. My father's contribution to shape up my life is of inestimable value. Guys, these words should be pronounced very correctly. This word should be pronounced very, very, very effectively and correct, correctly. Otherwise, वो sound में मजा नहीं आएगा. My mother's contribution to shape up my life is of inestimable value. So inestimable means that you cannot describe it. इतना अच्छा है कि आप describe ही नहीं कर सकते. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Inestimable. Guys, the time is very precious. Time is very precious and you cannot rewind the time. Each and every second is very much precious. जिसको आप बोल नहीं सकते कि एक एक सेकंड कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So in that case हम लोग ये भी बोल सकते हैं, to be a legend, importance of 24 hours in a day is inestimable. Every second is precious. To be a legend, importance of 24 hours in a day is inestimable. Every second is precious. Try to understand this word. "24 hours, each and every seconds are inestimable." आप बयान नहीं कर सकते कि कितना important है. Each and every second is precious. It's also a wonderful sentence to be used. Okay, let's go for the next word. Yeah, this is the word I was telling you, savvy. 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 The meaning of savvy is good practical and theoretical knowledge with experience. If somebody is having good practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge with experience, so we can call that person that he is so savvy. He is so savvy. Good practical and theoretical knowledge. अगर किसी इंसान के पास theoretical knowledge है, practical knowledge है and experience है, that is called savvy. Okay. The previous word that we learned, inestimable, it is adjective. Inestimable. It is adjective. Savvy. Savvy is also adjective. एक छोटा सा सेंटेंस हम देखेंगे, बहुत इजी एक सेंटेंस है. He is social media savvy. He is social media savvy. Social media savvy means he's very expert in social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. He's very savvy, very experienced, very knowledgeable. He's social media savvy. So he is social media savvy. बहुत समय हम लोग बोलते हैं, मेरे जो फादर हैं उनको उनको फेसबुक चलाना नहीं आता, मेरे जो ग्रैंडफादर हैं वो उनको फेसबुक चलाना नहीं आता, तो हम लोग बोलेंगे जैसे मतलब मोबाइल मोबाइल में उनको ज्यादा कुछ नहीं पता है. सो हम बोल सकते हैं लाइक माई मदर इज नॉट सो टेक savvy. हम लोग बहुत समय बोलते हैं माई मदर इज नॉट टेक मतलब टेक्निकल गैजेट्स. माई मदर इज नॉट टेक savvy, मतलब उनको टेक्निकल चीजें नहीं पता. So if somebody is not experienced, it is called tech savvy. So in this case, we can say he is a social media savvy. expert. They are the experts. Absolutely right. Okay, let's see another example. We all know Amitabh Bachchan. His field is film and entertainment, and he's very experienced in that. So we can say Amitabh Bachchan is known for his savvy acting skills. How is the skills? Savvy acting skills. Okay, so guys, this is not savvy, it's savvy, savvy. It's savvy, savvy. Amitabh Bachchan is known for his savvy acting skills. How is the skills? How is the acting skills? Savvy acting skills. It's a wonderful word. You should definitely use this. And these are very normal, in every, in every places you will see these kind of words are being used. So guys, till now we have talked about 3 beautiful words, starting from enchanting, so attractive, so charming. Next was effervescent, so positive, energetic, effervescent. Number 3rd was inestimable. आप बयान नहीं कर सकते कितना अच्छा है. Inestimable. Number 4, savvy. Very knowledgeable and practical and experienced person. Okay, let's go for the last word of the day. Evocative. 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 So what is the meaning of evocative? The meaning of evocative means something that makes you remember or imagine something pleasant. Evocative. Evocative. Something that makes you remember or imagine something pleasant. This is also a wonderful word, evocative. No, evoke. The word it came from the word evoke. What is the meaning of evoke? The meaning of evoke, evocable or evocative. Evocative means when you see something, जैसे आप उस चीज को देखते हो, अचानक से आपका एक आपका पास्ट आपको याद आ जाता है, या आपको पुराने दिन नहीं, बहुत समय होता है ना, हम लोग कहीं जाते हैं, we meet someone and we think about our past days. That is called evocative. So there is one very good sentence. Hasrat Jaipuri's songs have powerfully evocative lyrics. Yeah, you can say nostalgic. Yes, you can say that. Hasrat Jaipuri's song. Hasrat Jaipuri was a lyricist. जो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो, लेफ्ट से जो सेकंड है वो है हसरत जयपुरी जी, वो लिखते हैं. सो उनके जो गाने होते थे, उनका जो लिरिक्स होता था, जो लिखा हुआ होता था, जब भी वो गाने हम लोग सुनते हैं तो हम लोग पास्ट में चले जाते हैं. पास्ट के अच्छे मेमोरीज, पास्ट के अच्छे मेमोरीज. इवोकेटिव मतलब अच्छे memories, the good memories, not the bad memories. Always remember that. Okay. So yes, Sharmila Sen, you can say our old days are evocative. Yes, you can say that. आप बोल सकते हो. हसरत जयपुरी song have powerfully evocative lyrics. उनका बहुत सारे गाने थे, जैसे मेरा नाम जोकर. These are the songs of Hasrat Jaipuris. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. whenever I think about visiting my birthplace, that makes me feel evocative. Evocative. So how, evocative feeling, it is an adjective. Till now आज जितने भी हमने बात किया सारे adjectives हैं. Evocative. Evocative. How is the feeling? Evocative feeling. So whenever I think about visiting my birthplace, जब भी मैं अपने घर पे, मेरे birthplace जहाँ पे मेरा जन्म हुआ है, I think about going there. जब भी सोचता हूँ, I that makes me feel evocative. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I think about the old days. So wonderful, sentence you can always use when you think about any evocative feeling. But these are the good feeling, past ke good feelings. Evocative means good feeling from past. So guys, these are the words which we have learned today. Raj Sharma, you have written a very good sentence. I missed my evocative school days. ठीक है, इसको और better आप लिख सकते हो. I miss my school days. I miss my school days. It gives me an evocative feeling. It gives me an evocative feelings. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, इवोकेटिव को ना हम एक, बिकॉज ये फीलिंग के बारे में बताता है, तो इवोकेटिव फीलिंग होने से इट साउंड्स बेटर. इवोकेटिव स्कूल डेज ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग नहीं है, एडजेक्टिव वाइज ठीक है, बट इवोकेटिव को ना हम लोग इस काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग, तो वो फीलिंग के साथ अगर हम बोलेंगे तो दैट विल बी मच बेटर. So that gives me an evocative feeling. So these are the 5 adjectives, the verbs which we have learned today. Now the time has come when I'm going to give you a topic, and you have to prepare a topic within 5 minutes. You have to prepare it and you have to speak right now, or you can send your voice recording. You can WhatsApp your voice recording to my number. Okay, so the topic of the day is, okay, टॉपिक के पहले एक अच्छा सेंटेंस आया है, मैं पढ़ना चाहूंगा. नेहा जी ने लिखा है, माई फर्स्ट क्रश फील्स मी इवोकेटिव. वेरी गुड नेहा, वंडरफुल, वेरी गुड. सेंटेंस अच्छा है. Good. Okay, so let's see today's topic. Today's topic is, I miss my childhood days. I miss my childhood days. So I'm giving you 5 minutes. You prepare your talk. So this is our topic for today.
I read a school. It is a beast out into culture. In my school, we are always playing 5 minutes of sound. When we speak this sound, it is very effervescent. We live in army because my father is army person. My uncle is also. When Kargil was started, my uncle regiment was choose to go for war, and my uncle came home very safely. That time I feel in, in inestimable.
Very evocative and enhancing memories. All days are very effervescent. I can't spoken it by international for me. All are not that much savvy on playing games. I feel very much missed on childhood school days, playing with friends, and those days are very much important for me also. Thank you, sir.
When I read the topic, I feel mesmerized. The topic is I miss my childhood. Whenever I see kids playing with each other, I got evocative and it brought back my childhood memories. In my childhood, I used to visit my maternal grandparents, that was a village. I feel in my child, I feel going there and a feeling of going there and playing full day without any worries, breaking carries, taking bath in tube well and taking bath in river. Uh, that's tubal is inestimable. I'm not pronouncing that. And the taking bath and breaking carries, that is in taking bath in tubal, that is inestimable. I can't express my feeling in the words, the how I feel that time when I do all the things. In our village, there were
Days were gold days to me. So thank you so much.
Is I miss my childhood days. I miss so much my childhood days. For me, it's inestimable. In childhood, me and my friends all are effervescent. We all uh, we all don't care about anything. We only and only enjoy our life. That time our school was not enchanting for us. But today I feel my school is enchanting place.